Okay, so this is me testing out my TGR2 CQB, purchased from Magfed PB UK. This is, I think it's the second spring up from the bottom, so, you know, kind of getting 256, 266, 260, so it's quite consistent around the 260 mark. Firing reballs. I've also recently dry lubed the mags because I was having a bit of problems with the previous mags I was using because they weren't lubed. So obviously I was getting jams every other reball, so I was having enough. So I decided to spray some dry lube inside the mags, and I gotta say it's worked a treat. Firing completely flawlessly. You know, the reballs are very dry, they're quite inconsistent in sizing and things like that. So for it to shoot as good as it did, I'm very, very pleased. This is also testing out a GoPro with a scope attached, and you will be seeing a lot more of that